Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, woohoo! So this is my first time being live in like well over a month because I got banned because I made a post about how social Facebook censors stuff, and that was enough to get censored. Saying that they censor stuff, imagine that. So they banned me for a month offhand, and yeah. So yeah, I'm happy to be back again, my friends. How are you? It's been a long time no see. I've been busy doing other things. I'm a happy daddy. I am a happy man. I am a very satisfied person. I am fulfilled, living my passion, calling and purpose. Taking life as it comes. You know, I'm living my life as it comes. And I feel maybe that could be the topic of this little quick video. Like, you know, learn to accept and take and embrace and appreciate and take what life brings to you. Because the present moment, they say, is a present. It's a gift. It's the universe, your higher self giving you stuff. And what it couldn't be more specially tailored than it is for you. It's specially tailored for you so you can learn, expand, evolve, mature, develop, grow, heal, you know? So like a tree, yeah, reaching the skies with your beautiful branches, taking the beautiful cosmic energy from the lovely heavens. So yeah, I just had some delicious mangoes. They're in Ireland, Alfonso's from India. I'd highly recommend them. I'll show you a picture of them. So yeah, a lot of us, I know how, like, you know, we have, these are actually Kesar mangoes. I just put them in that box. So a lot of us have trouble, like, and I did too in the past, like making peace with what is, like making peace with the unwanted, making peace with the uncomfortable, making peace with the either unpleasant or painful. And yeah, it's challenging to do that, but if you accept the gift and see how it pertains to you, see what you can glean and what you can take, what you allow yourself to receive from the higher spirit. You can call it God, source, universe. I like source of the universe because that's what my favorite teachers like to call it, source or the universe. But like, yeah, it's okay. I'm not trying to copy my favorite teachers or anything, the Arcturian 9D Council. Yeah. Like, I've gone through a lot of hard times in my life, and I'm 39 now, and this summer I'm going to go into another phase of my life where I'm releasing my super excited waiting books. Super exciting. One is about like the mental and the now. It's about self-awareness, deprogramming, seeing ourselves, becoming aware, becoming conscious, what was previously unconscious, what was previously unaware, what was previously oblivious in the darkness of our own conscious. We didn't even know why and what we were doing in life. We were dream walking, sleepwalking, acting out, creating havoc for ourselves and for other people. Woohoo! Do you ever like see that in yourself or other people, like in your past or even now, or and especially others? It's like, so easy to see. And about living in the now. That's going to be a free book about self-awareness. Get free, beautiful gift for you, my friends. How are you keeping today? How's everybody doing? Any questions or comments? So yeah, I'm living in Ireland. I'm from Ireland. I'm Irish. The other day people were thinking I'm from Croatia. I'm Italian, Spanish. Where are you from? Saudi Arabia? No, not even Saudi Arabia. Some other place. But yeah, my other book, my favorite book, is about emotions, relationships, about personal healing, self-healing, raising, and ultimately it's about like creating the dream life and relationship of your dreams that you really want. So yeah, so when you become conscious and like, for example, you read my book, woo, you don't have to, but imagine you did, or you read someone else's similar book. When you become conscious, you start deliberately creating the life that you want. But this video started off talking about when you're receiving what your ego doesn't want. So there's what your heart and your higher self wants versus what your ego wants. When life happens to you and it's not pleasant, that's not what your ego wants. But that's when you get shattered. That's when there's a book called something like Cracked Open. And Rumi, the famous Persian poet, said, it's the crack through which the light gets through. If we ain't getting cracked and smashed open by life, where is the light going to come through from? So we are the light, and our higher self is the light. And on earth, we're going through 3D energies, 4D, 5D, 5th, different frequencies. One's like higher than the other. And yeah, we're becoming our higher selves. As Matt Khan, one of my favorite human teachers, he's awesome. He says, Earth is an angel academy. Now that's just a perception, you know. But yes, it's a higher self academy. It's a creation ground of us, our true selves, our higher spirit, the delightful golden being of love and light that we are. We're here to create and to co-create with other creators. As simple as that. And we want our ego to be shattered. We go through the painful experience. But in this video, I'm giving you a little trick to make it go a bit smoother and faster and harmonious, so you can still learn your lessons, you can still get opened, but it doesn't have to be as excruciating. It doesn't have to be as excruciating. But you know what? At the same time, there's even benefits to being excruciating and pain, which I used to be in the past. So is my partner, big time. And now we've healed enormously. We have a soulmate type frequency, beautiful high energy relationship. So you're going to absolutely love my book. Stay tuned, I promise you. If you don't like it, I'll pay you 10 times back and I'll give it back to you. I'm only joking. I probably wouldn't bother with that. But yeah, I'd definitely give you a refund easily, happily enough. And you keep the book too. But that book is in my heart and I love it, and I'm excited about it. So Laurie Fulmer Soltau says, good morning from Minnesota, USA. Hello, Laurie. And then Emily, of course. Hello, lovey. Thank you, Emily. Lots of love to you too. So yeah, you're all, that's all I want to say. Even excruciating pain delivers you the lesson or the blow of empathy with others going through such horrific depths of darkness. So yeah, I have to say I have been through some pretty horrific depths of darkness now, especially when I was younger. But growing up, I had some like trauma, but it wasn't as bad as in my childhood by a long shot. Even though it was pretty bad at the time, but I was adult, I was awake, I was aware. I was still healing, so it was hard. It seemed pretty terrible at the time as an adult, just a few years ago. But you know, that wasn't as bad as anything whatsoever to my childhood. You're unequipped, you're innocent, you're vulnerable, you're permeable, you're open, you're receptive. You're just like you're like a lamb to the slaughter when you're a child, and that's why up until the day we die, we will have healing to do. Up until the day we die, we'll have learning and healing to do. That's what the Arcturian said, and I well believe it, you know, because there's just so many millions of layers to us. You can't do every single one while you're still alive, and that's okay. It keeps life fun. Like Abraham, one of my favorite teachers previously, who are just really good, and I still recommend them. Highly recommend them as well. They say you don't want to receive everything you want right now, like whoa, Christmas for the rest of your life right now, all your dreams come true, but then nothing else after that. You want a gradual trickle to keep life exciting. And like they said too, which is really funny, you don't want all your orgasms for the rest of your life right today, now. I'm sure it'll be a bit of fun, but it might be a bit too much. But yeah, you want some fun left over for later. You want some surprises left over for later. Who wants to know everything that's going to happen for the rest of our life? So yeah, the idea is enjoy creating and receiving every single day, gradually, every week, every year, little by little, poco a poco, as they say in Spanish, for the rest of your life, and love life, appreciate life, enjoy life. So that's where I'm at. I'm loving life, learning, growing, healing, expanding, shedding, simplifying. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun enough, you know. Obviously, there's going to be challenges still, and there's uncertainties, and sometimes, like, yeah, I'm changing my mind to some things in life, like plans, and then I change my mind, and that's what creation is about. You adapt, you change, you have different excitements, you have different energies. Some things work out now, some things work out later. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Hope you're well. Lots of love. So make sure, let us know what you think. You know, how do you feel about this topic? How are you doing in life? How's everything going for yourself? And yeah, make sure you befriend me, give this video a like, share, support the channel, support the message, support my work, my passion, my calling, my purpose, my fulfillment, my family. So share the love, be kind. It's good to be back, my friends. Good to be back. Yeah, I'm just excited and revved up now. I'm not always this like hyper and giddy when I'm off camera. I'm not in the slightest bit. Sometimes I am, but not usually. Maybe when I'm with my friends sometimes. Yeah, I better go, and I have things to do. I just thought I'd come back and do my first live Facebook video for a long time. Happy to be back. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for like discount off my herbs or my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, 10 or 20% off first time subscribers. Make sure you check my coupon link. I think it's Compassion, Love, Forgiveness for 20% off first timers, and for 10% off it's One Love, One Family with the letter 1. One Love, One Family, because that's my YouTube channel's name, and my Odyssey censor-free video channel's name. So hope you join me in Odyssey, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram. Thank you all for your love and support, and also for anyone who wants one-to-one coaching. If anyone's suffering from depression, anxiety, fear, loss, confusion, like grief, sickness, ill health, disease, like I know how to get nearly all, like so much better. Like I've done it myself. It's much easier than you think, but it's a big subject, and we just don't learn this growing up. So I love to help people, body, mind, spirit, holistically, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. It's my passion and joy, my friends. You can trust me. I'm nothing but honest. I'm an honest, sincere guy. Believe me. That's probably what the non... I don't think non-in is... People who aren't as honest wouldn't dare say that, I don't think. They'd say... They don't have that energy and vibration to like put forward their sincerity, like pure in your face. But I can, because I have a clear heart. I'm clear, I'm friendly, I'm open, I'm innocent, I'm honest, I'm genuine, you can trust me. And I love myself, and I'd love me to hear that from me or another person, because that's, if it's the truth, and this is the truth, what more do you want than beautiful, caring, loving truthfulness? What's it called? Wearing a heart on your sleeve, nothing, not trying to hide anything, not trying to pretend to be anything bigger than you are. I'm going to be just learning with you till the day I die, so... I'm just one of you, and you're one of me, and we're all one together. So that's why I call my YouTube channel One Love, One Family. You want people like this, like sincere, honest, kind helpers. Just friendly neighbours, welcomeness. Yeah. I'll leave you and love you. Emily, thanks for watching. Appreciate everyone's time and attention. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate it very much, and I'll see you again another time. I look forward to meeting you all, in person. But up until then, happy to be your friend Emily from a distance. Very happy. Because energies, it's not really like distance with energies and heart-centered feelings, isn't it? But anyway, see yous. Bye.